Pedro is cutting sheets of metal to texture. This is our collection of texture dies. It includes a wide variety of designs. This Brazilian friction press is about 70 years old and weighs 2 tons. We use this machine to texture metal and form dome shapes. These large wheels give it lots of power. A strip of leather around the wheel works as a brake. The textured die must be greased, otherwise the metal blanks might get stuck. The power of the hammer is 60 tons with a 10 horsepower motor. The texture dies aren't installed, rather they are placed below, then the machine needs to be adjusted to the correct height. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe. All of these products are available on our website, SupplyDiva.com.